Hi, and welcome back to A Couple of Kiddos.
Or if you're new here, welcome.
I'm Tim.
And I'm Clarissa. And we have a little special event happening today in our town of Sacramento at the Jungle Bird, which is a little tiki bar. We're going to have two bartenders, Roy and Cristian, from Trader Sam's Enchanted Tiki room. So they're little special guests here.
Yes. We're going to have some tiki drinks.
Yes, I'm so excited. And
all Disney themed.
We've met Cristian at the tiki bar. We've had him as a bartender before. So we're excited to see him again.
And we'll put that video up for you guys if you wanted to check us out meeting Cristian.
Yes. Well, let's go have some like tropical drinks and hear some little witty things from them, hopefully. Let's see how it goes. We've never been to this event with the bartenders. We've been to the event without the bartenders. I'll put that video here too for you. But this one actually here with the bartenders. They're only here one day.
Yeah.
So let's go in.
Let's do it. I got Lafitte's Libation, and it was on fire. They put like a sugar cube on there, and it was all flaming up. It was really cool. All right, so this has got Mount Gay Eclipse rum, coconut rum, pimento dram cinnamon, Felton rum, pineapple, and lime. Ooh. Wow, that's strong. That's a rum drink. Oh, that's so good. I love the pineapple. Oh, and you get that like smoky smell from it when you go in. That's really good. Yeah.
All right, I got the Dead Men Tell No Tales. You know I had to get it because Pirates is my favorite ride. And inside this drink, there's Mount Gay Eclipse rum, overproof rum, allspice, passion fruit, grapefruit, orgeat, cinnamon, and lime.
Oh, wow.
Like, you know all my drinks. I love grapefruit. I love my palomas. But this is like, kind of like a rum paloma. I feel like.
I feel like at least
oh, you can taste like the spice into it. The like spice. What is it?
Cinnamon.
Yeah, I can taste cinnamon. It tastes really. Everyone's excited here. It's all Disney fans here. But it's actually super delicious. The grapefruit and the lime are good, and with a little bit of cinnamon kick to it, it's good. I like it.
All right. We also wanted to try the third special drink, which is the Orange Bird. So it's got a little orange slice inside. This one's the Mount Gay Eclipse rum, spice rum, Ango bitters, orgeat, vanilla, orange juice, orange curacao, and Dole Whip. Oh my. Very orangey. Let's see. Oh, that's a creamsicle right there. The vanilla and then that Dole Whip. Oh, that's a good one. I like that one.
Out of all three, which ones are your favorite?
Oh shoot, let me try Clarissa's. I didn't have hers yet. This was the Dead Man Tells No Tales. Oh, I like this one. This one, it's got was it passion fruit?
And grapefruit.
And grapefruit. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is a good one. I love that one. All three are amazing drinks. You cannot go wrong with them. Very cool.
All right, I'm gonna taste the other two and see which one's my favorite. Very Dole Whip, babe. I'm not a huge, don't hate me, I'm not a big Dole Whip fan. I'm not a big pineapple fan. I know everyone loves Dole Whip, but it's just not for me. That one's really good too.
Libation.
Ooh, it's between these two. I think the libation one.
You like the libation one?
Yeah. We might be trading.
Oh, okay.
Now we're just waiting on some food, and we'll show you what we get.
poo-poo platter has arrived. This says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different things. Chicken pot stickers, we got shrimp, we got wings, and some sort of egg roll. Oh, that's gonna be good. Wow.
I'm gonna try the pot sticker that they have here. It's so good. They have a bunch of different things. And you know, when we go to the Enchanted Tiki room, Trader Sam's, we always get the poo-poo platter. We need to try a little bit of everything. We do have more food on the way, so let's enjoy this appetizer, and we'll show you what else we got.
So my plate came, and I got the fried egg, fried rice, and it's got bacon in it. And then there's a side of kimchi as well. Woo! Can't go wrong with fried rice. Wow. Oh my. That is so good. You can taste the bacon in there. Oh, that's so good. And then the kimchi. It's like a pickled kimchi. Oh, that's so good. We'll try a little bit of both.
Right, so I got the Loco Moco. You know, we're going on a Hawaii trip very soon, so we're getting really excited with all our little Hawaiian-style dishes. Let me get a little bit of egg, a little bit of meat, a little bit of rice. Get the best bite. I love the gravy over the rice with a little bit of the meat and the egg breaking apart on top. It's delicious.
Have you had that before?
I've had Loco Moco before. Like one other time actually. And I loved it. So now it's one of my new favorite things. I can't wait to go to Hawaii and have more of this. But it's so good. So let's go ahead and enjoy and see if we get anything else. We might get another drink. Who knows? We'll see.
Our Christian man of the hour. He came all the way down to Sacramento from LA to just make us some drinks.
I love it. The drinks here are that good. That good. I flew over here to get them.
It's an amazing time. Thank you.
Let's go.
Bring the fire! You want to drink it with the fire?
Wow. I forgot what's in it. But I think it's strawberry lime. It's a strawberry lemonade with rum. And it's on fire. This is really cool. This is one of their just regular menu drinks here at Jungle Bird. Oh, it's so good. And it serves 3 or just one drunk person. But I got 3 people here. It's not me.
Let's see what I think. I love lemonade. That's really good. It is like just like a lemonade with rum. I can taste a little bit of cinnamon in there too. And there's a little hula girl dancing on the cup I just saw on this side.
Oh.
Amazing. So let's drink up. Okay, so we decided to do one more punch bowl. We're loving the rum drinks here today. So we have one more punch bowl, and this one was a surprise me. So I have no idea what is inside it. Ooh, but that is really good. It's nice and fruity. You can't even taste alcohol. It's so good. It's dangerous. Dangerous. Or are we just drunk? Let's enjoy this. Oh my God. So many good drinks. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And the food was good too. It was nice seeing Cristian again. We had so much fun with him. We were at Trader Sam's, and now we get to see him in our own hometown.
Yeah.
It was a great time. So, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up if you like this video, and ring that notification bell for more videos like this. And follow us at
Couple of Kiddos.
Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.